Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to make some delicious melt-in-your-mouth chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are so easy and quick to make, you'll be amazed. So stick with me until the end. First, we need to sift the flour. For this recipe, you'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. After sifting, add half a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking powder to the flour. Give it a good whisk to make sure everything is evenly mixed. Now for the butter and sugar. We have 100 grams of softened butter, which would be at room temperature, which will combine with 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar and 3/4 of a cup of white sugar. Beat them together until they're light and creamy. Once the butter and sugars are well combined, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 eggs to the bowl. Use a whisk to mix all the ingredients well until you get a smooth liquid batter. Now it's time to add the flour mixture to the rest of the ingredients. Add it gradually and mix until your cookie dough forms. Once the dough looks like this, it's time to add the chopped chocolate. Mix the chocolate chips into the dough until they're evenly distributed. Then, shape the dough into your desired size and place them in the fridge to rest for an hour. After the dough has rested, place your cookie balls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake them for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, or about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And just like that, our delicious cookies are ready. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you have a great time making these. If you did, I'd really appreciate it if you could support my channel by liking and commenting. It helps me a lot and encourages me to make more videos for you. See you next time.